Looks pretty crazy.
Sometimes the most delicious things come from the most unexpected sources. Today, we're making beef tongue tacos. Let's get right into this simple recipe that's guaranteed to transform this taboo cut of beef into the most tender, flavorful meat you've ever eaten. We're going to start by chopping one medium to large onion. A rough chop is all we'll need since we're going to be boiling our ingredients today. Next, take a head of garlic, separate all the cloves and peel them. It helps if you crush the cloves slightly before trying to remove the wrapper. Once they're free, crush them under your knife. We're going to set our pot of water onto the stove, filled about 3/4 of the way full, and then we can start putting our ingredients into it, starting with the chopped onion and the crushed head of garlic. Next, we add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, and a combination of a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of dried oregano, and 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorns. It's hard to believe, but this magic combination of ingredients converts something that looks so peculiar into something that tastes so delicious. If you're cooking this for a dinner party, maybe it's best you didn't show them the before pictures. Kinda looks like something they sell at one of those adult shops. Make sure it's fully immersed before covering. I like to set something on top to help weigh down the lid and trap in the steam, but do this at your own risk. Boil on medium-low for 3.5 hours, and it's just about time to eat. I know what you're thinking. That's a great shot, but the subject still looks questionable. Well, hang in there, folks. Wait for the unveiling. This part's kind of like unwrapping a steaming, meaty Christmas present. And it sure smells amazing. Once the outer layer is completely removed, we're going to cut it into 1/2-inch cubes. In my experience, that's about the perfect taco size. I'm not just saying it, this stuff is worth its weight in gold, and it never lasts more than a few hours in our house. For those who have never tried making it, you can find it at any Mexican or Asian market, and most any butcher shop should have some laying around. It's one of the cheapest cuts of meat, but truthfully, one of the most flavorful. It literally tastes like pot roast times infinity. So toast up your favorite type of tortilla and slap on some of that meat. Give it a dusting of some chopped onions and cilantro and drizzle on your favorite salsa. And then top it with a little crema. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. By the way, don't be tempted to feed it to your friends without telling them what it is first. Although, I've converted many into die-hard Lengua lovers by doing just that. Thanks for watching.